Minka opening her Taba gigantic squishy purchased at Target today, April the 18th, 2026. And when she's done with this, she'll be opening her mystery MR.PA.
That's what I was asking. If you had
Yeah. But I got it. It's so hard. You got that. I got in the way. Here we go. And then that should have came off.
Tell us something about it.
It's really big. I'm seeing it all over the place, and it's also very fun. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. It's a paw.
It's a big paw.
It's a really big one.
Is it sticky?
Has anybody else seen that? Have you seen it?
Never seen it.
I saw it.
I think you should tell them what you paid for it.
We paid $7.99 for it.
Gotta
Pretty
get
big. So.
This was purchased at Burlington Coat Factory. $7.99.
Oh my god.
It's
And it's
sticky.
rainbow on the side.
Look at that. It's super. Is it sticky?
Yeah.
But you like that.
It's supposed to be sticky.
Oh, okay.
I just love playing around with it. At least you can see
Oh, look
it.
at that. That's interesting.
Oh my god.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, now this is the real moment of truth. This is the one she's been waiting for.
Oh, it smells good.
I'll take this. It smells good? Has a smell?
Probably like Play-Doh. Remember, Play-Doh always smells good.
Play-Doh does not smell good.
Yeah, it does. I always like the smell of Play-Doh.
You want
I
to give
can
me
try putting that back
Yeah,
in
I
there.
will.
I know, it's going to be really sticky. So.
Okay, hold. Let me straighten the box this way. Let me flash in on it a little
Oh,
bit.
man, it is sticky. It's super sticky.
MR.PA
They have
candy.
different
That smells
types.
kind of good.
They have a morphing
Nice,
little
sticky
paw.
now.
They have little paw chef. They have what to eat today. Working week animal limited company. And I got MR.PA candy.
All right.
I want the squishy jelly or bubble pop. Those two. I'm not secretive, so I want that. Honestly, I don't care. I also like gingerbread paw.
So which one are you hoping for?
I told you.
Say it again. What's the one you're hoping for?
I want the bubble paw, squishy jelly, or gingerbread paw.
Okay. You unbox
Is it in a bag? I don't know the name.
It's in a bag.
Oh, yay!
Which one is it?
It comes in a little plastic interior bag.
Oh my god, it's sweet paw.
Sweet
Sweet Paw.
Look
Sweet
at that.
Pop. Let's see
Sweet
which one
Pop.
is Sweet
Sweet-
Pop.
Sweet paw.
Wait, you just.
Oh my god. It's so cute.
Oh,
Wait,
it's Sweet Pea.
sweet paw.
Sweet Pea.
Or is it sweet paw?
Sweet Pea looks
Oh my
like
God,
this.
look at it.
Sweet Pea. He's so
Very nice,
cute.
very
So cute.
Oh, he's got a little bird on his head.
Oh,
How cute is that?
oh my god, why is it so warm?
Is it warm?
It's warm.
Is it?
Interesting.
Because it was in the car, maybe?
It's probably in the car.
It's radioactive.
I also have some stuff. I think I have more. It has like a,
What does it have in it?
it has like a card.
Oh, it has like a little collectible card. And what's the
Yeah.
other little thing? Is that a bracelet?
No, you have to put it on here.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's like a
Because
little
it has
boo-boo?
like a little
Kinda like a little
attachment where you
boo-boo?
can put it.
I see.
Ah, just like the Labubu's.
You can carry it around.
I'm trying to put it on. Yay!
Super
Very
cute.
nice. Very nice.
Cute.
Very nice.
Very nice.
All right, so are you pleased with your 2 purchases today? Tell them how much you paid for MR.PA, by the way.
MR.PA, he bought $15.99
That's pretty good.
At what store?
compared to a Labubu. Target.
Target, yes. purchased today. He had a cute display set up for those Mr.
Yeah, but
Paws.
the other ones were $15.99.
Oh.
So I should got the cheaper one.